At number 2, we have the Lockstar Smart Lock. This smart lock stands out for its versatile entry methods, offering a comprehensive security solution for modern homes. The lock can be accessed through fingerprint recognition, mobile app, keypad code, key fob, physical key, or voice commands via Alexa and Google Home integration. The auto lock feature activates upon door closure, while manual locking is possible by long pressing the hash key on the keypad. Security features include real-time notifications of door access and tampering attempts, complete event history tracking, and a customizable privacy mode that restricts access to authorized users only. The passage mode allows temporary suspension of auto-locking during specified times. Installation requires minimal tools, with included screwdriver and drill bit, making it a straightforward DIY project. The lock's companion app enables remote access control, temporary code generation, and battery level monitoring. The fingerprint system allows multiple prints per user, though each must be registered separately. The device includes practical features like adjustable lock sound volume, door contact sensing, and tamper alerts. Its integration with home automation systems and ability to generate temporary access codes makes it particularly suitable for rental properties and homes requiring monitored access.